Hello everyone, this is Nikom and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So from HPCL, finally for the year 2022, again there is recruitment for engineer officer. Okay, as like your last recruitment was there in August 2021. So salary will be 16.26 lakh per annum. Total vacancies are 212 vacancies. If you complete your BE Tech in electrical electronics, chemical, mechanical, instrumentation, computer science, information technology, instrumentation and INC, that is your instrumentation and control, in electronics and instrumentation, and civil, then definitely you can apply to this recruitment. Now we will see detailed information regarding this Maharatna. So let's start our video. So first important thing is 60% aggregate you should have compulsory in your BE Tech. If you are from OBC, you are an EWS, and 50% aggregate you should have if you are from SST, PWD. Okay. Process will be, first they will conduct your CBT, after that they will conduct your GD, and then they will conduct your interview. After that DV, that document verification and medical, then you will get your selection. Posting will be all over India, and if you are lucky, definitely you will get opportunity to work in abroad also. Okay. Exam centers you will get all over India, so no need to worry for that. Probation period will be 1 year, and the thing is that for first 6 months you will not get 5,000 rupees. Okay, they will just keep that 5,000 rupees with themselves, so that you can't leave that HPCL within 6 months, and after 6 months this 5,000 rupees will be provided to you. One more update is there, those who complete apprenticeship in HPCL. So for you guys, again there is good chance, because you will get 1 year additional age relaxation. Okay, so your age limit will be 26 for you guys, and the main important thing, 5% additional marks you will get in CBT exam directly you complete apprenticeship in HPCL. Okay, so suppose your paper is of 100 marks, then 5 marks you will get additional. So whatever score you will make here, that is suppose you score 55 marks, then total marks will be 60 you will get. Okay, so that is the big announcement for apprenticeship candidates. Limit cutoff date is 22nd July 2022. Age limit is 25, general EWS, OBC 28, SC 30, PWD 35, general OBC 30, and SST 40. Important days, form will start on 23rd of June. Okay, so on 23rd of June I will make form filling video for you, so don't just that video properly, and then you can fill the form. It will end on 22nd July 2022. Okay, about exam date no need to worry, because in strategy video definitely I will share. Fees will be 1180 rupees for general OBC EWS, and for SC ST PWD SOSman there is no fee. Now we will see categories and branch wise breakdown. So first branch is mechanical, for which 103 vacancies are given for this year, as category wise breakdown is not available. So we will see later that what categories they will assign. If you complete your BE Tech in mechanical, then definitely you can apply. Next vacancies for electrical, total 42 vacancies are there for electrical. If you complete BE Tech in electrical, and triple E also eligible for this. So those who are complete triple E, you can apply to this post. Next vacancies for instrumentation, total 30 vacancies are there. If you complete your BE Tech in instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation and control, then you can apply to this vacancy. Okay, electronics and control also apply. Next is chemical. So in total 7 vacancies are there. If you complete your BE Tech in chemical engineering, then you can apply to this post. Next vacancies for information system officer, only 5 vacancies are there. And if you complete BE Tech in computer science or IT, then definitely you can apply to this post. Next vacancies for civil, total 25 vacancies are there. If you complete your BE Tech in civil engineering, then you can apply to this post. I will share you exam pattern, which is most important. Okay, as per last exam, I am giving you this data. So you will get technical questions of 80 to 85 questions you will get in technical. Aptitude 34 questions, reasoning 34, English 17. Total questions will be 170, 150 minutes will be given to you. Okay, 170 marks will be there. There is no negative marking. Paper languages English and Hindi. So definitely in strategy video we will discuss more things, and we will try to crack this exam, and in 2022 only you will secure a job in Maharatna. Before that, form filling video will come on 23rd, so just wait for that. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, you can comment down below, and if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram also. And in the description our Telegram channel is there, compulsory join that, so that quickly you will get all the updates along with practice PDF.